Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna ramen. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 package of instant ramen, 1 can of tuna, and 1 egg. Don't forget about 2 cups of water and any extra seasonings you enjoy. This quick meal is perfect for a busy day, offering a satisfying and flavorful experience with minimal effort. It's a great way to elevate instant ramen. Now let's get cooking. Bring about 2 cups of water to a boil in a small pot. Once boiling, add your ramen noodles and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender. Next, carefully drain most of the water, leaving approximately 1/4 cup in the pot. This small amount of liquid will create a rich, flavorful base for our delicious tuna ramen. With the noodles ready, it's time to add the stars of our dish. Stir in the ramen seasoning packet, then add the drained tuna. Next, crack 1 egg directly into the hot ramen mixture. Gently stir the egg until it cooks to your desired consistency, whether you prefer it soft and runny or more firm. This step adds protein and a creamy texture. Your easy tuna ramen is almost ready. Carefully transfer the finished dish to a serving bowl. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh green onions or a dash of sesame oil if you like. Serve your tuna ramen immediately and savor this quick, satisfying, and incredibly flavorful meal. It's a perfect solution for a tasty and easy dinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.